Cell Academy, Goa's best institute for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12th. State topper for NEET, JEE, BITSAT 2024 are produced by Cell Academy. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12th at our study centers in Margao, Vasco and Prudent. Book your seat today. Limited seats available.
काँग्रेसीन प्रदेशाध्यक्ष बदललो आणि पक्षातल्या अंतर्गत वादांक सुरुवात झाली. एके वटेन प्रदेशाध्यक्ष गिरीश चोडणकार जाल्यार दुसरे वटेन आदलो प्रदेशाध्यक्ष असंतुष्ट अमित पाटकाराचो गट. 2027 विधानसभा वेंचणूक मुखार दवरून एकठांय येवप म्हत्वाचें आशिल्लें. ते फाटभुंयेर काँग्रेसीचो सरचिटणीस के.सी. वेणुगोपाल गोंयांत काँग्रेसीच्या फुडाऱ्यां बरोबर 1 to 1 चर्चा करपाक आयिल्लो. मात तातूंत कितें साध्य जालां कशें दिश्टी पडना.
अरे बाबा ही फाईट गिरीश चोडणकराची एकट्याची ना. काँग्रेस पार्टी म्हणटा गिरीश चोडणकर एकट्याची. आमचे 3 आमदार आहा, 3 एक MP आहा, आमचो सिनियर एक्स MP आहा फ्रांसिस्को सार्दिना. इतले सिनियर लोक आहा. काँग्रेस पार्टी बिलॉंग्स टू एवरीवन.
वेणुगोपाल म्हणटा गिरीशाची निष्ठा केंद्राक खबर आसा.
Brother, we know his honesty. He is not a newcomer. Last 25-30 years he is working in this party from different level. We know who is Girish Chaudankar. You can give any allegation. Anybody can put allegation. But we know that he is one of the gem of the honesty person in this party. I am telling you very clearly. No allegation. I am ruling out completely.
मजगती नवो प्रदेशाध्यक्ष गिरीश म्हणटा सगळे एक.
We all work as a team. There is no on the leadership of somebody or something. We all work as a one team. There is a Congress team.
आदलो दक्षिण गोंयचो खासदार फ्रांसिस्को सार्दिन म्हणटा खंय 100% एकवट खंयच नासता.
Leaders are upset. The Congress or some other party, 100% all can never be together. There are some differences. First, they will, in course of time, they will shed their difference. They will come.
So there are the differences in the Congress.
Everywhere there are some differences.
ब्युरो रिपोर्ट प्रुडेंट.